Hello friends, welcome you all in Mechanical Casual. Hope you are doing well. Let's start. First of all, be careful about the units. I am using here mmgs, you can see here, millimeters for the unit of length. Okay, let's start. First click on front plane, click on sketch, go to the circle command, draw an arbitrary circle and give it a dimension of 100 mm. Just enter 100 in. Okay, now again go to the circle command and draw a circle, give it a dimension of 25 mm, and the circle is of 6 diameter. Okay, select, click on center point of circle and click on the origin point, make vertical. Okay, now again go to the circle command, draw here a circle and give it a dimension of 10 mm diameter. Okay, so now draw a line from the center point of the circle to the origin. Escape, right click and select. Okay, now you are out of the line. Okay, now you have to give the angular dimension to this line. So what you have to do, go to the smart dimension. You have to click on this line, then click on the origin point. Okay, now you can see here 4 arrows. So this is actually in direction of x-axis. Here you can see the coordinates x-axis, y-axis. So click on this arrow. Now you can see the angular dimension. If I change, you can see I can change the angle as well. Whatever angle I want to give it, I can give directly from the left click and enter 45, enter from keyboard. Now select. Now go to the circular sketch pattern. Here entities to pattern, click here, select this 6 mm diameter circle. Okay, here is 4, you can put 5, 6, whatever you want to do. So for now I'm just entering here 4. Okay, so this is actually 360 degree. It means that your patterns will be divided into 360 degree complete rotation. Okay, so this is actually the parameter, or you can say the direction of rotation, or your central point, but whatever you can say. It is actually, you can say, the auto selected. Okay, if it is not, you have to select the origin point. Click OK. Okay, now again go to the circular sketch pattern and entities to pattern. Here you have to again select the entities which you are going to pattern. So select this circle. Yes, it is already 4 selected here. So click OK. Now again go to the send circle command and draw a circle, smart dimension. Okay, one another thing, if you want to directly give Dimension here you can see it is 12.81 dimension in radius. Okay, if I simply have to draw a circle of radius 20 mm, I just have to put here 20. Okay, so remember this, it is 20 mm radius, so diameter will be 40. Yes, exactly. Go to the smart dimension and select the circle. Here you can see it is 40 mm in diameter. Click OK. Okay, so let's say I am in smart dimension mode, giving it a dimension from this line to the origin point. So this line is actually 38.36. You can see in diagonal. So click here, give it a dimension of 40, enter. So let's move on. Go to the features command, extruded base or boss. So select this internal area, click here and enter here 20. Okay, there are many options here. I am selecting mid plane. Okay, so this is the sketch and 10 mm extrusion towards left side and 10 mm extrusion towards right side. Click OK. So here you can see geometry is ready. Okay, now go to the chamfer and it is already selected. Okay, there are more than one option and you can chamfer it accordingly. For now, just I am selecting the first one. Select the edge of the circle. Okay, enter here 2 mm. Enter. It is at 45-degree angle. Click OK. Now you can see the chamfer command basically just remove the material in a line of the given length. Okay, you can see uh like just for an example, go to the chamfer. Okay, select this outer periphery. If I wanna cut this edge 2 mm inside and 2 mm this below side. Okay, 2 mm from this edge towards downward and from this edge toward 2 mm inwards, and I wanna remove the material. Okay, so here is 2 mm selected and the angle is 45. It simply means that the removal of the material will be at 45-degree angle. Okay, so let's see. Click here, click OK. Now you can see the material is removed. Okay, click here, select this. You can see here the material removal. Okay, so if I draw a triangle, this will be the triangle. Okay, from this edge to upward and from this edge to the end point. Okay, so for your easiness, okay, click here, top plane sketch. Go to the line command, select this edge, click here. Okay, select, go to line command, click this point and downward vertically. Okay, select. Now smart dimension, give it a dimension of 2. Okay, and this line also 2 mm and select. Now you can see this is actually what I wanna tell you before. This is 2 mm. It is also 2 mm. Okay, again select line command, this edge and this edge. Select. So if you give it a dimension, you can see it 45 degree. Okay, this is actually the angle we have set first in the chamfer command. Okay, now press escape from keyboard. Again escape. You are still in dimension, smart dimension mode. Select this line and this line. You can see the angle is 45. Okay, so escape. Just select this, left click and drag the mouse. Entities are selected. Click delete from keyboard. Okay, exit from the sketch. So hope you understand what is the meaning of chamfer command. Now go to the appearances and let's say directly go to the solid. Okay, if you want to give the color to these four, just click left click and drag. Okay, not leave the mouse button. Now go to that cut hole and leave the button. Now you can see here the four options, 4 to 5. Okay, so first one, select the first one. Okay, now you can see the only one hole is yellow color. Again, give it face. Okay, so just select the face. What you have to do, simply left click on the yellow color, drag it to the inside face, remove the button and select this face. Okay, hope you understand how to do this. Okay, now select orange for the inside hole. Yes, select it. Okay, one more thing. If you wanna copy this appearance, so right click on the face, go to copy appearance, right click this face, paste appearance. Yes, actually do it again. Do it again. Right click, copy appearance, right click, paste, but you still have to place your mouse at the same position. Left click here. Now you can see the options are visible. Select the face. Okay, again select internal side and select paste appearance. Okay, if you move your mouse in hurry, you will lose the options. Again, right click, click paste appearance, select the face. Okay, okay, let's do one more thing. So, right, okay, leave on this face, whole. So select this. Okay, extrude feature. Click. Okay, you can see geometry is ready. Okay, so actually click here. If I check this, you will see the shadow is removed. Check this again. Travel shadow is visible. Yes, one more thing you can do, select plain white. Yes. So I hope you remind the earlier lecture in which I have selected courtyard background also, and other one like uh, urban 5 background as well. Okay, so for today's lecture, it is all about this. One more important thing is that you must have to practice again and again, and don't worry about the complex geometries which you wanna do, which you wanna design in SolidWorks. It's because if you clear the basic things of the SolidWorks, you will eventually do the larger complex things also. Okay, so again, thank you so much